All right, what's up, everybody? I'm Phil. I'm back today. Sadly, no Marchster today, but wanted to bring another unboxing. Today, we're unboxing the Aorus RTX 4080 Master. Now, this card was available on Newegg for $13.69. It wasn't labeled very well, though, so I decided to, actually picked it up for a customer, so we're just going to take a quick look at it. It is the biggest GPU box I have ever seen. So today we're going to compare it to the RTX 3090 Founders Edition. I recently compared my 7900 XTX, well, not XTX, XT Sapphire Nitro Plus version to the 3090. Found that it was about the same size and similar profile. But when I got this for our customer, I decided that another video had to be made, and it needed to be made as soon as possible. So let's check this puppy out. So I realized that I have a hard time fitting this in the camera frame because it is so huge. So let's pull it out here. Look at this. Unbelievable. It's really, really heavy. So let's put that box on the floor and let's bring it out from the anti-static bag for the first time. I'm going to go de-static real fast. You can never be too cautious. Okay. When I say that this thing is a chonker, I have been prepared for big graphics cards. The 3090 was huge. The 7900 XT Sapphire Nitro Plus was huge. I cannot say I was prepared for this. So hopefully I can do it justice in the video. Look at this thing. You'll notice I have pretty big hands. It's gigantic. There's your 12-pin connector. Easily 3.5 slots, no problem whatsoever. This is the part that kind of blows me away. It is a 2-slot bracket, which is nuts. But they include a pretty big support bracket with it. Looks like it's made up of 2 pieces. I'm not sure exactly how it works. I'm going to be vertically mounting it in this case for our customers, so won't be using it, but it is included in the case. Of course, you get your 12-pin to 3x8 pin adapter for use with older power supplies. But today, we're going to do what we did with my 7900 XT, and we are going to weigh it, and we're also going to compare it side by side to a Founders Edition 3090. So here's the 3090, and you can see it's hard to fit them both in the frame. Let's get them both this way. You can see that the RTX 4080 is quite a bit longer than the 3090. But here's where I think it really sets itself apart. It is a lot thicker, a lot longer, and a lot taller. So to demonstrate the height here, I'll set the 3090 on top of it very carefully and match the PCIe slots at the bottom. It's a little tough to see on this angle, but you can see here how much more there is to this Aorus card. So we're going to bring back our trusty kitchen scale. My wife's the MVP for letting me use this. And we're going to weigh both of them here. So not grams, not fluid ounces, but pounds and ounces. So starting off with our 3090 Founders Edition, it's 4 pounds, 13 ounces. So pretty heavy. 4 pounds for a GPU is... Prior to that point, I had never felt anything like that, but here is the Aorus Master RTX 4080. Keep in mind, this isn't even a 4090. This is a 4080. at 5 pounds, 8 ounces. Almost an entire pound heavier than a brick of aluminum. That is the 3090 Founders Edition. Truly crazy. I won't be benchmarking the card because we are putting it in a customer build, but I thought it was something really, really worth putting out there. The Aorus Master line has always been really, really big compared to other lines of cards. My Aorus RTX 3070 was a thick boy. This is absolutely insane. Maybe I can bring something else here. Let me look around. Do I have something that would really do it justice? I mean, here's my Corsair gaming mouse. So, like, my entire hand takes up about the space of one of these fans. And these fans are pretty big. I mean, they look like they might almost be 120 millimeters, so truly crazy. So this is by far the biggest graphics card I've ever seen. Of course, I haven't hefted an RTX 4090 Founders Edition, but when I pulled this out of the box the first time, I thought, I need to do a video on this. This thing is absolutely crazy. Thanks for joining me, and I will be putting up some more videos around my RX 7900 XT overclock, and actually putting my card through some benchmarks. So I'm looking forward. I'm going to get an opportunity to benchmark an RTX 4070 Ti coming up as well. So keep an eye out for that, and we will see you all soon.